Okay. The next question says, in general, the term ceteris paribus means what? And so this is a term, I think we've gone over this in previous sessions as well. You often hear ceteris paribus in the context of an economic model, so when something changes, ceteris paribus, what happens? Ceteris paribus simply is, I believe, Latin or something. It refers to the idea that holding all else equal. The reason that we use ceteris paribus is because we want to make sure that we have a consistent understanding of what the world is what is being held constant in our model, and that should be everything else except for the key things that fluctuate in the model. So for the law of demand, for example, the law of demand reads, for a decrease in price, ceteris paribus, or holding all else equal, there's going to be an increase in quantity demanded. So we want to know that everything else is staying the same. The only thing that's changing is price, what happens to quantity demanded. Okay, and so we can take a look at the previous tutor's answer. Previous tutor says, all other things being equal or holding everything else constant, ceteris paribus is a Latin phrase used in various disciplines to substitute all else being equal. This phrase is used in economic thinking while describing various theories as, in order to explain different theories, different assumptions need to be made. One of the most recurring assumptions is assuming everything else is constant so as to measure the effect of one economic variable on another when other variables are not changed to create an effect. Great answer. Nothing wrong with that. We can mark that as correct.